everyone, my name is Isabelle Eve. Everyone call me Isabelle, and I'm from primary 2. I think math is quite challenging for me. Last year, I was participating in Singapore math competition and got commendable award. That's a new experience for me.
Isabelle has consistently demonstrated an exceptional academic performance. She has a positive attitude towards learning. She actively engages in every classroom discussion, and she also consistently produces high quality of work.
I joined swimming, gymnastics, tennis class after school in Playfield Kids Academy. Experience is the best teacher, so never stop learning.